Good day, Marinos. Today, I'll be showing you the different hand signals used in ship's crane operation. In ship crane operations, hand signals are essential for ensuring clear communication between the crane operator and the deck crew, particularly when performing tasks such as hoisting, lowering the loads, or moving the crane. First, hoist the load. Raise one arm vertically with the fist clenched. This means the crane operator should raise the load. Second, lower the load. Extend one arm downward with the fist clenched. This means the crane operator should lower the load. Third, raise the boom. Arm extended horizontally with the hand closed into a fist, then thumb pointing up. Stand where the operator can see you clearly and extend your arm horizontally and make a fist. Move your thumb upward in a steady motion to indicate raising the boom. Fourth, lower the boom. Arm extended horizontally with the hand closed into a fist, then thumb pointing down. Ensure you are visible to the operator, and then extend your arm horizontally and make a fist. Move your thumb downward in a steady motion to indicate lowering the boom. Swing. Arm extended horizontally, index finger pointing in the direction of the swing, either left or right. Point your index finger in the desired swing direction, left or right. Maintain a steady motion until the swing is completed. Sixth, move slowly. Place your hand palm down and move it in a slow horizontal motion. Keep your palm facing down. Move your hand slowly back and forth horizontally to indicate slow movement. Seventh, dog everything. Clasp both hands together at chest level. Clasp both hands together, making sure the operator sees the motion. Hold the position to indicate stopping all movements temporarily. 8. Raise the boom and lower the load. One arm extended horizontally with thumb pointing up, and the other arm pointing downward with an open hand making a downward motion. Use one hand for each signal simultaneously. 9th, lower the boom and raise the load. One arm extended horizontally with thumb pointing down, and the other arm pointing upward with an open hand making an upward motion. 10th, stop. Extend your arm fully out to the side, palm facing outward like a stop sign. Raise your arm and hold it steady until the operator stops. 11th, emergency stop. Both arms extended, palms down. Move arms back and forth horizontally.